Are you making a career pivot with no experience? Here's what you're going to do. Number one, and this is the most important thing you're going to learn today, is that no experience mostly exists in your head. Yep. You have so many transferable skills, but if you don't think you can do it, you're never going to be able to convince somebody else they could do it. So the first thing you need to do is realize how awesome you are and how much experience you bring to the table for your next job. The next thing you need to do is you have to stop asking people, begging people to give you a chance. Everybody is given a chance in this world. Even people that have experience, they're given a chance. They may not get along with the team. They may be too bossy. They may not be able to take directions from other people. They may be used to being a leader and now they have to be in a supportive role. Right? We take chances when we get married, right? We take chances when we go into business with other people. Stop begging people to give you a chance. Show them what you bring to the table. Demonstrate how awesome you are. Next thing, read the job postings from the bottom up. This is going to save you a ton and a half of time. So rather than reading the entire long job posting, getting that imposter syndrome, feeling scared, start from the bottom. The bottom of the job posting will tell you what the requirements are. And if you are check, 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 I have those requirements, take a deep breath, see yourself in the job, and then slowly look through the job posting and realize how you can position yourself for that position. And that's where you draw the parallels. No one is going to read between the lines. So if you have experience delivering trainings because you're a teacher and you've delivered trainings for students, don't just write taught students. You delivered X trainings for X individuals, resulting in Y. You have numbers, you have data, you have percentages. Put that information there, but don't expect anybody to connect the dots for you. That's your job. Okay. Next, in the same regards, when you are making a pivot in your career, there's going to be a lot of industry jargon, alphabet soup that makes no sense in the position you're going towards. So remove those words, right? And things like IEPs, those are legal documentations. There are other ways that you can write your exact experience, but take away the words that don't make sense outside of your field. Next, clean up your LinkedIn, right? I don't want to hear that you were former something or transitioning something or pivoting something, right? Make sure that your LinkedIn profile talks to the position you are going towards and is not looking behind you. And last thing, write a really powerful cover letter. Yep, it makes a difference. I believe very strongly, and my clients are incredibly successful by writing cover letters, ones that start with an engaging open and bridge that gap. Because when you are making a pivot in your career, you need to put in everything that you possibly can to showcase your passion, to showcase your interest in the company, to showcase why you're totally freaking awesome, because resume alone doesn't always connect the dots, but a cover letter bridges that gap. Okay. And if you want some more help with this, let's do it together. My name is Cindy. I empower career changers, transitioning teachers, and those returning to the workforce to find amazing jobs to match their current why. Let's schedule a free 45-minute discovery call to talk about how I can help you to be successful in your job search. I hope you have a super productive week. Always remember your work. I'll catch you next week. Have a good one. Bye bye.